for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section. I will be there to reply you, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we are starting with KNX 1200. Let's do this together. Okay, guys, this is Genex 1200. We are on 15-minute time frame, and of course, just where we have seen this has been on uptrend for a very long time. Okay, so and of course, it's also played around this resistance zone for a very long time. Actually, we've been waiting for it to go back on downtrend for long, but it has not been able to go. Okay, so this time around, it has gotten to the resistance zone, and of course, it has gotten there again at this point, and it's trying to go back on downtrend. So this is going to sell. However, I'm not expecting it to go beyond this level. However, I am even expecting it to pull back somewhere here. But if it breaks out from here, then it should get to this level. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, it might not be for a very long time, but it's going to give a reasonable profit if you follow it. Okay, so this is going to be more of selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be gainx 999. Let's check it out together. Remember, all these analyses are being done on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this actually started an uptrend right from here. We were actually expecting a major breakout from any of these, but it kept on going up and giving us an opportunity to buy more. So this is still very much an uptrend, even though it has gotten to this resistance zone, but it has not been able to break out from there. But it is still more of a buying opportunity, because once it breaks out from there, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend. But for now, it is still buying. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. This had been on downtrend after getting to this resistance zone, and it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. And remember, we started the uptrend around there, and that was what led to this particular opportunity, which came to an end at this point. Okay, and right from there it switched back into a downtrend and it started selling. So it has got into this support zone and it has not been able to break out from there. At least right now it has not been able to break out from there. So if it's unable to break out from there, then we are most likely to see a switch into an uptrend right from there. Okay, so right here, I will be looking at an entry point at this point for an uptrend, because of the major downtrend signal that it has been into, and this is too far for a stop loss. Okay, so I'm going to adjust the stop loss a bit to somewhere here for this entry point. Okay, then we can have some TPs highlighted for us around this section. Okay, so let's check them out. So this is going to be our last TP. Okay, so that is it. So let's see how this is going to play out. Okay, but we needed to trigger the entry point first before we can say it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will continue with the downtrend and break out below the support zone. Okay, so we should take note of that. The next asset is going to be PNX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is PNX 999. PNX 999 had been on downtrend, but it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from there. You can see it's going back up gradually. So this is where we are having issue right now. It has not been able to break out from there. Even though it is majorly on downtrend, broke out I mean below the support zone at this point. Broke out from structure at this point to get to this point. And of course, this is now giving us a total pullback, and getting back to this. If it should break out from here, it's going to be a shift in structure. Okay, if that happens, then definitely it's going to buy more. But if it does not, then I expect this to come down again and break out below this support zone. Okay, so I'm still going to go with a sell signal, except if it breaks out above this. If it breaks out above this region, okay, then we will say that we are having a shift in structure at that particular point. Okay, so this is very, very important. So let's see what will happen from there. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. So the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, let's check it out together. FX volume 80. So guys, this is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on uptrend for a very long time. It has gotten to the resistance. It has not been able to break out from there. Try to sell for a while. However, this is going back up because it is yet to break out from here. If it does not break out from here, then we are most likely to have it on the uptrend at that particular point. So this is still buying at the moment, just the way we are seeing it. Okay, so probably we will have this at this point. Okay, if it should break out from here, then definitely we may likely find it at the resistance zone, trying to break out from the resistance zone. But if it does not break out from here, then it will go back down and break out from this particular spot. That means it is ready to sell at that particular point. So for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out from there. Okay, so I'm going to put sell in the bracket so that we will have that also at the back of our mind. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect the trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos very well. Practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you and God bless you.